Hi guys, welcome to Laravel Docker series, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to upload image into the DockerHub website. So first of all, you should have an account in Laravel DockerHub. So you can see that there is a DockerHub website and I already have account, so it's already connected, and you can see that my username is over here as well. Okay, so let me go back to VS Code editor that previously we already created Docker file and Docker compose file to generate the image. So let me go and create the image for this project. Okay, so let me go to my terminal and I need to run this command. So this is the first step, so just call docker build -t, and then the fourth argument you need to pass your project name, like your image name. So I will just call laravel-app and colon latest. So this is the latest is the tag, and then you need to provide the dot, so that means the path of that project. So just dot and hit enter, and it is going to build the new Docker image. So let's wait a moment. Now you can see that our image is built over here. Now what we have to do, just let me clear this. And the next step is that you need to just type docker login command. So you have to log into your account. So you can see that I already have a login with Savani HD username. So that means that's, you can see that login succeed. Okay, so that means you must have to fire docker login, and then let me clear it again. And the next command is docker tag command, and then here you need to tag your image. So what image we have created? Laravel-app colon latest. Okay, and then you need to add your username. So how can you get the username? So go to the Docker and you can see over here, this is your username. So just I'm going to say Savani hd/Laravel app colon latest. Okay, so that this is the name where it will be uploaded into the DockerHub, and hit enter. So you can see that it is the tag, and now the next command is docker push. Okay, and inside that what you need to do, you need to just write this, just copy this, paste it over here, and just hit enter, and you can see that it is going to push your Laravel app image into the DockerHub. So let's wait a moment, it will take some time because maybe you have a like 200 MB or 300 MB, whatever size. So it's all going to upload in DockerHub. So let's wait a moment. You can see over here that image is uploaded successfully, and here is the size they are displaying. Now let me go back to the DockerHub. So you can see that Docker desktop, go to the images, and you can see that this is all local images, but let me go to my hub, that means the DockerHub online. So if I click on it, you can see that Savani hd/Laravel-app, and this is the latest and 34 seconds ago, and you can see this is the size of that image. So that's why it was taken the time, and you can see that how easily you can upload your image to the DockerHub. And in the next video we are going to take a look how to upload this image to your production and deploy the project. So if you like this video, then please share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next episode, guys.